Ain't nobody's down but us. Hey my lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and we are back with another video. How you guys doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I don't know whenever you're watching this. Hi. So in this video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be waxing today. Yes, we gotta get it together. I have a full beard. I have PCOS, so I do grow facial hair here and there, but it's really bad this time because I let it grow out just for y'all so I can wax it for y'all. I'm just playing. I ran out of wax and I was being lazy on ordering some. I finally got it. It's a new brand and we're gonna try it out today. I'm gonna link it below. It's called Jura. And it's safe. It soothes sensitive skin and face. So we're gonna try this out today, and I just want to bring y'all closer to see what we're working with. I do have like whole beards. I'm gonna zoom y'all in, but first, no, I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Let's get close and personal, baby. I don't know if y'all can really tell because it won't focus, but this is what we're working with. Chin hair, all right here. We got peach fuzz all right here. We got a mustache. We got hair on our neck. It's literally everywhere. So I just want to show y'all that, show y'all what we're working with first. And it's literally so long. I let it grow. Well, I didn't. I was just being lazy, y'all. I hope y'all can see it. You can see it good like that. And like from a distance, it don't look that bad, but like when you're close up, it looks horrible. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be waxing. My hair grows in two different directions. The hair right here, it grows upwards like this, so we're gonna be waxing this way. And my peach fuzz in here right here grows downwards, so we're gonna be waxing this way. We're gonna do our mustache. I might even do my eyebrows. I might do my eyebrows off camera because I really have to focus. I have a mirror over here to the side, so if that's, I'm looking at that, and hopefully I get everything in the clip. But first I want to show you like how much my skin has grown. I'm going to put a side by side. Not have grown, but seeing how much my skin has improved. So I'm going to put a side by side. About 2 or 3 years ago, I put a skincare video showing y'all how my skin looked. And it looks so much better. With the hair, you can't really tell, but it's doing good. I'm working wonders. And I think waxing is like a huge part of that because I used to like shave or do the little dermablade thing, and like it was good, but it caused a lot of ingrowns, and ingrown caused hyperpigmentation, so I was not liking the look, you know, in the long run. For like a quick fix, it was looking really good, but after a while it was causing, it's probably because I was doing it wrong. I probably wasn't doing everything I was supposed to be doing, so that's why I started waxing. I've been waxing for a little over, no, probably a year now. And the pain still, it's still there. It's still there. So we're gonna do this side first. Well, first I'm going to use a pre-wax treatment spray. I guess it just cleanses your skin, and I'm gonna use it, spray some on a cotton ball and just use it to wipe all the excess oils and things that's on my face. Normally we use a cotton pad, but I don't have any at the moment, so we working with what we got. So you just want to clean all your face. with the pre-wax treatment. And the spray is green, so my cotton ball is green, but I can show y'all like what it's looking like. Cause I already cleaned my face, but I did put like shea butter on it, so we're just gonna get that excess oil off your face. Some people powder their face, I don't, and some people wear gloves when they wax. I don't, because I'm waxing my own face. So my hands are clean though. And we have some popsicle sticks. That's what I'm gonna use to wax with. I wish I could just show y'all what the wax looks like. So this is what we're working with. Don't talk about how kind of yucky it is. It's hard to remove wax from this thing. So I do the best I can, and that's the leftover residue from cleaning it out from the old wax. But yeah, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna listen to music. I just want you to watch. If I have something to say, I'll probably come back on and say it, but for the most part, I think I'm just gonna wax and let you guys watch. So personally, when I like put the wax on, I sometimes forget to add like a little lip. So if you want an easier way than trying to like pick it off with your finger, I just take the wax stick and dip it in the wax just a little bit. A little piece of wax that's on the tip of the wax stick, and you just stick it on there like this, and then you count. I still have to count, and you pull it off like that, and it wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad, y'all. So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying, I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, tryna leave. Oh, I would love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, hope you can understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all will make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I'm gonna do my sideburns off camera because that's the worst part for me. Y'all, the sideburn is like, I think it's worse than a mustache at this point. But I did it. And this how we looking with this the sideburn hair. Fun times. Another thing that I forgot to say, that I am not a professional. I don't know if I'm doing this correct. I mean, it works for me. I'm doing what works for me. But also, y'all, I just want to let y'all know that the wax can get too hot for your skin. So make sure it's not too hot. And don't be like me, because I'm very impatient sometimes, and I turn it all the way up to the highest number on the wax machine, and then I be trying to dip the wax thing in there to wax my face. Don't do that, cause it hurt. But I do it every single time. I don't know why I'm so hard-headed. But anyways, back to the video. There is one thing that I hate about the wax. I've only tried 2 brands so far, but I don't know if all wax are stringy like this. Like, why is it so stringy? If you guys have any wax recommendations, leave them in the comment section for your girls so I could try. It wasn't a lot on this one because my facial hair grow in sporadically. Like it could be a whole bunch right here and then it'd be clean right here and then a whole bunch over here. So very sporadic. Under here is barely any hair, but I still like to wax it, or like if it's like 1 or 2 I'll pluck it, but for the most part I'll wax it off. Like it's a little hair on here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's just a little bit.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Sideburns are the worst part for me in the mustache. Yeah, so all we got is the mustache. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows on camera because why not? And then we're gonna do my mustache. I don't know if I'm doing that on camera or not because that just sucks. Normally my husband has to pull my mustache because I'm just such a scaredy cat, but he ain't here, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. Alright, so for my eyebrows, at first I used to like outline it and stuff, whatever, but I don't do that no more. Maybe I still should. But I just take any old spoolie, brush it out. And I normally have like eyebrow scissors, but I cannot find them. And I just tore this place up looking for them. I don't know where they at. So like these are the smallest scissors that I own. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use these.
Doesn't make sense, no. She just things are getting intense, I hear you talking about that voice be fresh,
And I take this. It's a little plastic cuticle pusher. And this is disposable, so you can throw it in trash afterwards. I just dip it. I use this for my eyebrows because I don't have any more small popsicle sticks. And I had these, and I don't do press on nails no more, so I'm like, I'm gonna use them for my eyebrows. And my advice for doing your eyebrows is just to be patient. Because I've messed up a couple of times, but they always grow back. So, but be patient and take your time. And we are done. We're gonna take this after wax treatment spray that I got in my first wax kit that I ever bought. Still be using it. And I'm not just spray this all over my face. It's a cotton ball to rub it in. This helps like remove all that extra wax that got stuck to your skin. And it also helps soothe the skin too. This is the final look. My skin looks so much better. I still have a lot of work to go. Like a lot to get done, like with my skin to improve it. But after I use my pre-treatment wax, I go straight into skincare. And if y'all want a video on that, let me know. But for the most part, this is it. I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, and I will leave all the links. The wax or jewelry, it smells good. It smells like roses. Overall, I'll rate it a 7 out of 10 because it worked really well. But that shrinkiness, I hate. Y'all saw me fighting for my life, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.